So, I'm outside my house right now. My cat is, of course, doing whatever she wants, eating whatever she wants. And, well, this is my neighborhood. I'm just gonna sit out here for a little bit. Well, I'm gonna talk today about how I think nature is beautiful just the way it is. Because, I mean, with us, we're just changing things around. And why can't they all just be the same? Then we all complain about how we love nature. And I get it. If we love nature so much, then why are we putting sidewalks down? Why are we doing roads? God made us just the way we were. He didn't tell us to go and build up things. Even Allah, because, I mean, there might be some Muslims watching this, which is okay, by the way. It's amazing just how it was already put down and then we just change everything around. Do you ever wonder what is Earth going to be like in the next 20 years? Why would we want to change everything? Why would we want to change stuff? Seriously, why would we want to change things? Everything is perfect just the way it is. If we didn't make cars, we could still have bicycles. Cars are so much dangerous. You know how many people are killed in a car crash? Then we're worried about how important cars are. Get their weather. Then we're worried about how we don't have enough money to get through things.